What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to the channel, and it's been a little bit, so welcome back, guys. You probably have a few questions, which we'll get into in a second, but I have a unreal trade to show you that I took on NVDA, and this was probably the cleanest trade that I've ever taken in my life that netted me $755 in literally 2 minutes. Obviously a $10 stupid trade on SPY, which we won't get into, but yeah, so I can't wait to get into it. But let me just address some of the questions you guys might have, like, why am I looking at a Thinkorswim screen? Why is it not Lightspeed? Where have I been, etc. So, to be honest with you guys, as you saw from my last video, I hit max loss. And for the past back half of last year, I've been churning my wheels, man. I've just not been trading the way that I wanted to. Not really staying disciplined, not really paying attention to my rules. And I kind of lost my head and lost even more money. So I wanted to take a step back and really just address what was kind of going on with my trading, which I think I've since figured out. And yeah, in the meantime, I've just been trading small size on a few $1,000s that I have. Obviously, I have my long-term in Charles Schwab, but I also have a side account that I use for like long-term options plays and just like random trades here and there. So I've been basically trading in this account on and off for the past couple weeks, just trying to regain my sense of options trading, which I feel like I've gotten back. But I want to announce something right here and right now, which you guys probably saw was hinting towards my community post the other day. But I will be starting a brand new small account challenge on Lightspeed. Yep, I'm excited for this one. But the main difference is that we're going to be starting out with $3,000. Obviously, because I've been losing money for the whole year, basically, and just been turning my wheels. So I'm just going to make it a flat 3,000, and I feel like that's going to force me to take smaller size and be okay with grinding out those small victories and stacking them up. And I feel like the main problem that I was kind of shooting myself in the foot with was taking too big of size for the account. Like, I should not be I mean, I know when you have a small account, you have to use like a lot of capital to kind of get it going, but I should not be losing $400, $500, $600 a day and using like half my account on one position. You know what I mean? It's just, I can't be doing that. So I feel like starting out with a lower amount will make me get into that rhythm of being okay with small wins. And this time, guys, no BS. You're going to be seeing every single trade that I take in this account. I'll be showing every week my full P&L on my Lightspeed account. So we're taking this one for real. We're going in depth with the small account challenge. And I feel like with that added on, it'll get me to be like, all right, people are watching. Let's do this right. You know what I mean? And I love doing these videos for you guys. And not to mention, we just hit 2,000 subs, which is unreal. So thank you guys again for that. And probably because a lot of you guys have been enjoying the short videos, which have been getting crazy views. So thank you guys again for that. And check those out. I feel like my editing has gone up a step, so that's good. But yeah, we're here to trade. So that's going to be the channel moving forward. I'm probably going to be still sticking to my every Friday uploads, but I'm really going to be trying to, right after I finish trading every day, edit that part of the video so I can have it all done by Friday. You know what I mean? Because the schedule is more difficult now, but I think we can do it. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited. Thank you for bearing with me, guys, and I'm just super excited. So if you are too, drop a like, drop a sub, and let me know in the comments if you're excited for the new small account challenge. But with that out of the way, we have a absolutely unbelievable trade on NVIDIA. And I do have the live clip, by the way, so stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we're going to start on the daily chart here, and I'm sure you guys know this already. NVIDIA with a huge blow off top in the upper 900s range, and dropping down all the way to this 875 level. Now, what I was looking for was a move under this, but mostly looking for this gap to fill here. What's the high? 860.97, so right near a big psychological area as well. So make this 860.97. You guys know I like my gaps of yellow. And now we can go back to the 5-minute chart. So obviously with this pivot point, as you can see, this was a big major high that started this run all the way to the upper 900s with many retests of this level. And even with the move down, it kind of hung around this general area. And when I opened my computer this morning, I saw NVIDIA still hanging around down here. And I'm like, man, this has a good chance to fill this gap and then also break this key level at the pre-market low. Big psychological area at 850. So what I was mainly looking for was just a move from NVIDIA to retest that previous pivot and turn that previous support into a rejection level. Get that opening range into the gap fill and then look for that pre-market low at 850. With that being said, NVIDIA absolutely outdid itself today, but unreal. We literally made 100% in 2 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you the trade. All right, and here we go. Obviously, I was looking at some other stocks. Tesla, good setup under that 175, but nothing compared to NVIDIA, man. I just knew that we had to watch this off the open, mainly because of that incredibly powerful downside move on Friday. But as you can see right now, before the market even opened, I had my NVIDIA 15th of March 820 puts. So yeah, let's press play here, and okay, market's already open. Let's hear that bell. And we are open. And obviously NVIDIA, we can pause it right here. It did actually snap down and touch the gap fill. But I was like, all right, that's fine. I'm not going to take it off this level. I really want to see it off of this rejection and see what kind of move we can get. And you're actually about to see something I don't usually do. So let's play it here. So obviously NVIDIA making that move up. And look at this. My hand is on the buy bid button. I never buy the bid, but with how fast the premiums were moving this morning, I felt that the only way to catch a good entry off of this level was to just have my order out there on the ladder. So that's what I did. Let's press play here. I buy the bid. You can see it jumping around. That's not me. It's literally how crazy the premiums are moving. And boom, I get filled there. My average price is out $8.50 like you saw earlier. And you can see we did get a little bit of drawdown, but the most I was down was probably like $60 at this point right here. But it was an easy stop out for me. Basically, any close of the next candle above this level, I would take it off. But luckily, our levels played out absolutely perfectly. NVIDIA with a great rejection already. So I zoom in here. Look at this. New candle opens immediately red. And look at this. Already up like $140. Incredible. Let's press play. Now we're just waiting for NVIDIA to come back down, already under the VWAP. Looking to tag lower under the 9. Now we're up 200. Skip ahead here. Decent move down, up 300. Still waiting for the close, but look at this next 1 minute. Boom. Insane. Little 3-bar play. Snaps down under the gap fill. Crazy. I don't even know how much we're up at this point, like 400 something. Let's just keep watching. But I knew as soon as I dropped that gap fill level, we were going to hit 850. I mean, it was just bound to happen. So already with this move, my hand was already on the sell ask button. I knew this thing was going to snap. So we're just waiting. Up 600 now. 650. And then watch this move. There we go. Boom! Under, like, what the heck is that? It was like, let's just play that back. $10 move in the span of like 2 seconds. Look at that. Unreal. As you can see, I got a little bit trigger happy on that exit. I think I hit the sell ask button twice by accident, but as you can see, we got out there, and I think we got a great sell there. And there it is. Sell price 1605, got in at 850. Literally held it for 2 minutes, and we made $755. I mean, it was absolutely unreal. NVIDIA moved crazy, and I'm just happy I caught it for you guys. Yeah, I knew I had to make a video on it, and also, it was perfect because I had to, you know, leak some info about the channel going forward, so yeah. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for 2,000 subs. And drop a like and a sub if you're excited for the new small account challenge. Leave me a comment as well. I want to know what you guys think about the 3,000 and maybe what you think I should do for position size. I was thinking like still stick to 1,000 and do 3 trades a day. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I always want to hear your guys' opinions, honestly. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much, and I'll see you fellas next week. Take it easy.